Both these trucks are carrying the same stuff. One has decked, one's messier than my second divorce. If the bed of your truck sucks like Chuck's, it's time to get decked!
But how does it work?
The decked system has 2 full bed-length drawers that allow you to easily store and access all your stuff. Decked does it all. Fishing, handyman, honeydewing, hunting, constructioning, camping, dadding. So you can do it all. Each drawer can hold up to 200 pounds of gear for working, recreating, and tailgating.
What about security?
Simply lock your tailgate and you've locked your decked. Nobody's getting into your drawers without your enthusiastic consent. You can also get individual drawer locks if you really want to practice safe decks.
Or what if I'm hauling big heavy stuff?
Decked has a true 2,000-pound payload, and thanks to its rugged composite and steel frame construction, Decked won't crack under pressure. Just like my grandpappy when he was trapped behind enemy lines. Click the link to say goodbye to the junk in your trunk and unlock your truck's true potential. Now it's time to get your deck wet! Decked drawer systems undergo our rigorous weatherproofing tests, so all your important gear stays safe and dry, no matter the conditions.
But can it safely hold my firearms?
Yep. Decked has everything you need to keep your supplies locked and loaded. Decked fits nearly every full and mid-sized truck and cargo van on the road today, and complements your favorite truck caps and tonneau covers. And if you're using Decked for work, guess what? It's a write-off! Plus, it's backed by our no-nonsense lifetime warranty. Simply go to decked.com, enter the make and model of your truck, and click Buy Now for instant truck enhancement. In a matter of days, we ship your Decked for free, directly to your front door. It's easy to install with the same tools you probably already have banging around back there. And installation only takes a couple of hours, or an afternoon, if you're doing it right. Don't want to install it yourself? Decked has over 2,500 dealers nationwide that'll do it for you. Decked has thousands of verified reviews with a 4.8 average rating. That's out of 5. Just look at all these truckin' great reviews from happy deckheads. If you need support, Decked customer service is always ready to take your call. Click the link to give your pickup truck a pick-me-up with Decked. Financing? Check. Lifetime warranty? Check. Finally getting organized? Decked. Having a truck without Decked is truck nuts. Click the link. If you've got a big duck, you need Decked. I don't know what we're doing. Are we...